Hello! So today I decided to do a clean with me video because my room is a disaster. I will show you guys in just a sec. I definitely have a physics quiz tomorrow, definitely have a bio test on Wednesday, definitely have assignments that need to get done, but I'm gonna clean my room regardless. So I'm at the door of my room, and let's just start here. So we have bags on the floor, this on the floor. Don't even get me started on the closet, all the clothes on the ground and stuff. And there's this. There is the tallest pile of clothes ever. There is more crap on the ground. And then there's this. Oh, and the desk. The desk is an absolute travesty and definitely needs to be cleaned, and we are apparently doing it right now. So I'm going to start off with my desk. Good angle to do this. Oh. Ugh. So as we can see, the desk space is significantly cleaner. I just kind of keep my camera stuff here right now just because I'm filming. I should probably not keep my lens cap right there, but as you can see, this is pretty clean. However, we still have this area to target, so we are going to get on that. So essentially you can see the room is significantly cleaner than we started off. Actually, if you guys want to see what my closet looks like, this is just one half of it. As you can see, you have to slide it. So there are these set of drawers here, and basically this is like leggings, exercise leggings. Yes, your girl has way too many sweatpants. Also way too many, and then yeah, you can see the organizations like that. Then there's this whole other side. Oh god, what is falling down? But yeah, so tops, jackets, shirts, more shirts that I wear more often than the shirts up there. These are like a stack of jeans of all sorts. I have maybe like 4 or 5 pairs, but I wear them all the time, so I don't hold on to too many jeans. If they don't work, then I buy a new one. If they do work, I don't really buy jeans. More tops that I wear frequently enough. Shorts and other things. The rest of the room is pretty clean. I just put up all this makeup here. I'm going to try these all this week. I got the Double Wear foundation and the Tarte C foundation, and then it's got the sample. Wanted to try those things out. The rest of the room is as clean as this room gets. I have to put this in the wash. And then I have a bag of clothes I am giving away. And then me and my mirror. And yeah, everything else is like as clean as it's gonna get. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day, everyone.